Hey. First of all, thanks to the brand for sending me this keyboard to test out. First reaction, kind of like it. And check out the lighting. It's kind of cool. I think it's kind of cool. And, overall, I would say that the mechanical, so when you're typing, right, it actually, I don't say it's like a typewriter, but it just feels like you're typing, right? So maybe that's just the old guy in me, but it's kind of nice to do that, to have that on the back. You can actually put it up or put it down a little bit. So depending on how you like to set that up. So overall, I think it's kind of neat. Works well. I did not expect the colors, not the colors, but the lighting to move like this. So that's kind of cool. So overall, yeah, I think if you want to have more of that feedback, the physical feedback, this can be the way to go.